chili chicken pie, we're going to have a tablespoon of onion salt, tablespoon of chicken seasoning, tablespoon of garlic powder, 1.5 tubs of sour cream, half a cup of sweet chili sauce, and a roast chicken. Now let's put it all in a fucking bowl and get started. Right, so we've got everything. I forgot to mention 1 onion, 2 sheets of puff pastry. Now let's clap again and put it into a fucking fry pan. Right, so first things first, you want to plop your onions in, brown them off a bit. Alright, so once you've got your onions browned off a little bit, you want to add in your chicken. So what I like to do is I just like to get a pair of kitchen scissors, chop it all up nice and fine so it's kind of comes out like the texture of a mince pie. So what you want to do is just chuck all that in. Kind of just want to fry it for 2 minutes, and then we'll chuck our spices in. Alright, so in go the spices. Just stir them in. A nice mixture. Once you've mixed them in for just mix it around for 30 seconds or so. What you can do is you just come and grab your sour cream and your sweet chili sauce. Just plop all that in. And then just stir it in and just let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So we'll do that now. Alright, so once she's all cooked, she should look a little something like that. Doesn't look the most appetizing, but fuck me, does it taste good. So now what you want to do, just grab a spoon and just fill up your pastries. Probably about four tablespoons of filling. Just do that for all your pies and then just let it cook for 10 minutes and I'll see you then. Alright, so here's our finished product. Cut it down the middle and give you a look. Look at that. Beautiful. Best chicken pie you will ever have.